Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. I'm Akanksha, so let's start with today's session. Everyone talks about the benefits of ISO certification, better trust, more clients and business growth. But one question always comes to mind. How much does ISO certification actually cost? Is it affordable or too expensive for IT companies? The truth is, ISO certification is not a fixed price. It varies depending on several important factors. Now, let's understand this through a simple and relatable journey. Now, understanding the reality, no fixed price. Many IT companies initially believe that ISO certification is extremely expensive. But when they explore further, they realize that the cost depends on multiple elements such as the type of ISO standard, company size, and level of implementation required. Instead of being a single payment, it is a combination of different costs that together form the total investment. First of all, the type of ISO standard, the first cost factor. The most of certification largely depends on the type of ISO standard an IT company chooses. For example, ISO IEC 27001 focuses on information security and is usually more expensive due to its detailed risk management and security controls. On the other hand, ISO IEC 20000-1 focuses on IT service management, while ISO 9001 is related to quality management and is comparatively simpler. Each standard comes with its own level of complexity, which directly impacts the cost. Now comes the company size and complexity. Another major factor is the size of the company. A small IT company with fewer employees and simple processes will have a lower cost, while a medium or large company with multiple departments and complex operations will require more time, audits, and documentation. This naturally increases the overall cost of ISO certification. Now we have consultancy charges. Many companies choose to hire ISO consultants to make the process easier and faster. Consultants help with documentation, employee training, and proper implementation of ISO requirements. While this makes the process smooth, it also adds to the cost. Depending on the level of support, consultancy charges can vary significantly, but they often save time and reduce errors. Then comes the certification body fees, the official cost. The certification body is the organization that audits and provides the ISO certificate. Their fees include audit charges and certification issuance. This is a mandatory cost and depends on the company size and the certification body chosen. Different certification bodies may charge different fees, but this remains a core part of the total cost. Now we have the internal cost, the hidden investment. Apart from external payments, there are internal costs that companies often overlook. These include employee training, time spent on implementation, and improvements in systems and processes. While these may not be direct expenses, they still require resources and contribute to the overall investment in ISO certification. Then we have maintenance and renewal, ongoing cost. ISO certification is not a one-time expense. Companies need to maintain the system through regular audits and renew the certification periodically, usually every 3 years. There are also annual surveillance audits to ensure compliance. These ongoing costs are generally lower than the initial certification cost, but are essential to keep the certification valid. Now the total cost estimate, what to expect. When all these factors are combined, the total cost becomes clearer. For a small IT company, the cost may range from 70,000 to 2 lakh rupees. Medium-sized companies may spend between 2 lakh to 5 lakhs, while large organizations can spend even more depending on their complexity and requirements. These figures can vary, but they give a realistic idea of the investment required. Now, cost versus investment. At first, ISO certification may seem like an expense, but in reality, it is an investment. Companies that implement ISO standards often experience better efficiency, improved customer trust, and increased business opportunities. In many cases, the returns far exceed the initial cost. Now, the real question is not how much ISO certification costs, but how much it can benefit your business. In today's competitive IT industry, not having ISO certification can sometimes cost more in terms of lost opportunities and trust. ISO is not just about spending money, it is about building a stronger, more reliable, and future ready organization. That is all about today's session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such informative insights. Thanks for watching.